Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Self Love with Self Care. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, in today's video we're going to see a natural DIY to protect your hair from sun damage or heat protectants, and even if you're going for PRP treatments for your hair, you can actually start using this remedy to see the results. And even if you're somebody who's losing lots of hair, 50 to 100 strands of hair losing per day is okay. But if you're losing more than that, you're in the right area. And also if you're somebody who's searching for some natural remedies to grow back your hair, guys, you're on the right track. So people who are also suffering from premature hair graying, this video will be really useful to you, not only to cover your premature hair graying, or if completely gray also, then this remedy is going to work for you. So without any further delay, please watch the whole video to get the exact benefit of this. And guys, if you people not getting premature graying hair, also suffering from hair loss, this remedy is going to give you a wonderful result. So without any further delay, let's get started. To start off with the remedy, as usual, please take some soft water. Into the soft water I am adding tea powder. Guys, tea powder has very rich high content of caffeine and helps you to give you insane hair growth. Into this I'm adding some rosemary leaves. Guys, this not only conditions your hair, it boosts your hair growth, conditions your hair, it removes scalp infections and improves the blood circulation in the scalp and gives you shine and softness to the hair. So please purchase some dry rosemary leaves and add it into all your hair care routine. And here I am adding some methi dana, that is actually very good to stimulate your blood circulation and strengthen your hair follicles. I've added here some cloves because it helps to prevent hair loss and also your premature hair graying. Into this I've added some hibiscus leaves and curry leaves. Guys, both of these are very rich in vitamin C, and curry leaves are very good in vitamin A, B, C and E. This both curry leaves actually helps you to stimulate your hair follicles. Now allow them to boil really well until the water are half, and just let them come to the room temperature, or it has to be mild heat, not the rolling boiling heat. So I've kept it down for some time to just get back to the process. Now let's see the next process, guys. Now you can take here any type of kadai. Here I've taken a glass bowl. You can always take an iron kadai, but as I'm adding two ingredients here that will not be working well in iron kadai, so this is why I've taken a glass bowl. Into this I'm adding how much ever I require of henna powder. You can see the quantity and use it for yourselves, because henna powder not only helps to cover your gray hair, but also it helps to improve your hair follicles, reduce your oil production, cover your gray hair, improve your hair texture. It also reduces some scalp itchiness and also reduces your split ends. And again I've added some here of the indigo powder. Guys, indigo powder also helps to improve your hair growth. It reduces your dandruff and it also improves your hair quality overall. It improves your scalp health as well. So these both ingredients are very much required here. Guys, indigo powder is not a dye, it's a natural hair colorant. It gives you amazing results when it's combined with henna powder. So please make sure you're only applying indigo powder on henna treated hair to get maximum results on your gray hair. Into this I'm adding one more ingredient, that is nothing else but our daily intake of coffee. Coffee powder also reduces hair loss, it improves your hair texture, gives you the bright shiny color, detoxifies your scalp, improves your blood circulation as well. Into this, to soothe your scalp, I'm adding some aloe vera gel. Guys, the benefits are insane of aloe vera gel. I've actually explained very well about them in all my previous videos. So now into this powders we're going to add the boiled water, which are not rolling boiling heat. Please make sure of that. Always use minimum heat water. It must just be warm, not even heat. So make sure of that and mix it really well without adding a lot of water, because if it becomes too watery, it's really very difficult to apply it on the scalp. That is why I'm adding very little water into this paste and making it really good paste. It must not really be too thick, not too thin. To make sure of that, I really wanted to show you the consistency of how good it must be. So this is how it must look. And now immediately please cover it with any cover or the foil, whichever you have with you, and seal it well. See, you should not have the holes like this, So I'm really covering it well without any air coming into it. Just keep it aside for not more than 5 to 8 minutes, and I'll show you how it looks after 5 minutes. You can see the instant change in the color. But before that, I'm going to show you another remedy. If you're somebody who's not having premature hair growing but you want to save your hair, guys, the whatever water we have boiled, just drain them into the other bowl, and see, this is how the water looks. Even before you applying this water, you can look at the color of your water that we've just prepared, and just imagine what it does with the continuous application when you give it to your hair. So now see, this is how the water looks. If you can use it instantly whenever you want, if you prepare it, it does not spoil at least for 15 days if you store it in your refrigerators. Even people who are okay with applying like this can directly dab some cotton onto your scalp and apply it. But for the people who are not okay, you can just pour it from bottles like this and close it with the pouch, like close it, like without any mess all around you. Now you are into this, I'm adding some lavender essential oil, any essential oil for that matter, you can add it. Now close it, and here your water is ready for your hair growth. And people, this is like a miraculous water. So guys, this was about the water. And coming back to our henna paste, so guys, you can already see the color has started changing. So see, this is how it looks just if you keep for 5 minutes away. Now immediately just grab on this paste to your hair and apply it and leave it for at least 2 hours for best results, guys. So this was my video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like the video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Self Love with Self Care. Show some love to the channel and help my channel grow. Thank you so much for giving your time and watching the video. I'll come back again with some informative video that will really be helping the concern. Thank you again. Please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.